welcoming all on this special day. स्वागत करते हैं आज यहाँ का कर तैयारी ध्यान रहे हम हैं भारत की नारी. Good morning, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear and all the girls and boys. Myself, Inamda Ramana from Standard 7. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of your First Lady, learner of First Teacher Savitribai Phule. On this special day, I welcome Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, Didi, and all my dear friends. And wish you a happy Balika Divas. Impress your friends with new, inspired, and powerful thoughts about yourself.
My friends, as we are knowing that today birth anniversary of Srimati Savitribai Phule, she was the first learner lady who can read, write and talk. So for more information, I would like to call Chavan from Standard 7. Principal Sir, Vice Principal and teachers and my dear friends, welcome to honor our present here. At first, happy Balika Divas to all the ladies present here. As we celebrate Balika Din, the Day of Girls, I want to take a moment to honor and celebrate the strength, resilience and potential of all girls and women. Today is the born day of Srimati Savitribai Phule, whose courage gives the strength to all girls. Girls and women are the future leaders, innovators and creators of our world. They are the vital force of driving positive change and making a positive impact in their communities and beyond. Unfortunately, girls and women still face numerous challenges and barriers that limit their potential and prevent them from reaching their full potential. These include gender-based violence, discrimination, and lack of access to education and opportunities. But despite these challenges, girls and women continue to persevere and thrive. They are the source of inspiration and hope for us all. On this Balika Din, let us commit to supporting and empowering girls and women in our communities and beyond. Let us work together to create a world where all girls and women can reach their full potential and thrive. Thank you.
To give honor to all our beloved teachers on this auspicious day. So let us start with. Now I request to Vice Principal Ma'am to felicitate our respected Principal Sir. Principal Sir to give best wishes on this occasion.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, so after a long gap, we are together here and we are celebrating one of the very happy moments in terms of Balika Divas. So wish all the girls and all the teachers present here a very happy Balika Divas. And of course it is the birthday of Savitribai Phule. You all must have read about Savitribai Phule in the books. You must be reading in history books that what she has done for the nation, what she has done for the education of we can say deprived people, poor people, especially for girls. She was the first lady to start school in Pune. The first school for girls was being started by Savitribai Phule in Pune, and along with her, many her associates were there. One of her associates was Fatima Sheikh. Her husband was very helpful. Jyotiba Phule was there with her. She went against whole society, community, whole casteism. She fought back. And then she has made it true, because of which today we see in all the Indian schools, half or more than half are girls studying today. So all the girls, I feel you must be thankful to Savitribai Phule. Because of her effort and her associates, whosoever have worked with her, because of them today you are sitting here and becoming meritorious. Is it okay? So more I will not say about Savitribai Phule. You must be knowing very well. Today throughout the day you will be watching many videos, clips, reels on social media about her, and your teachers will tell you. But one message I would like to pass on this occasion is that we all teachers have seen that since the school has started, or around you in the societies wherever we are watching the girls are very good at studies. But one problem is there with girls, that they are not ready to speak. That is what today I would like to tell you. Watching the current 10th standard, 9th standard, 8th standard, some girls are there, those who are very excellent, those who are very interrogative, those who are always interactive in the class, outside the class. But some girls are there, they are very brilliant, but they are feeling shy, they are feeling uncomfortable to speak. See children, this is the school, this is your second home. You have been in this school for last 10 years, 12 years, 7 years, at least more than 1 year. And more than 1 year is more enough for you to be like our family members. And then too you are not ready to speak. What it means that when you will pass out 10th standard, when you will go from here, the picture will be very different. And this you will be in a very competitive field where all will be, and if you will not speak there, surely it will affect you. So we have produced some very good girls in the past, those who were excellent in studies, but they have proved themselves time to time in terms of interacting with teachers and everybody. But right now in our school, little bit I feel that those examples are missing. We are searching for good students. Good students are there, but in terms of ability to speak, what ability we were having in Anushka Bhujbal, what ability we were having in Akifa, what ability we were having in Sakshi Dhole, what ability we were having in Payal Tambodi, what ability in Riddhi Bhagat was there, what ability was there right now with you. Faria ma'am is sitting, she is also our former student. So all these children, then Aditi Konde was there, Dhole was there, many such girls were there, those who have proved time to time that they are the best speaker of all the languages. Here we are missing it. So on this very auspicious day, instead of speaking more about what has happened in the past, I would like to ask you, I would like to appeal you from this stage that please try to speak. 10-20 years back the condition was such that it was said that opportunity knocks the door. Upon that one thought was being made, that opportunity never knocks the door again and again. Opportunity knocking the door was the example given. It is being changed now. You have to knock the door of opportunity. Earlier the people were coming to your door and they were asking you the question that I have heard that in this house a very capable girl is there who is very well qualified. I am in need of service of that girl. Please come and join our office. 10-20 years back, but now conditions have changed. How do a person will come to know that in your brain what it is there unless and until you will speak yourself or you will express yourself? We will not come to know that you are very brilliant. Am I right, everybody? Try to showcase your talent, speak, not only to girls, to boys also. You have immense talent hidden within yourself. But problem is what? You are wasting your talent just in mimicry, gossiping, passing pranks, passing jokes. Be serious, show your talent, showcase your talent. आपको आपका टैलेंट बताना पड़ेगा. कोई आपके घर पर दरवाजा नॉक करने नहीं आएगा कि हमें मालूम पड़ा है कि इस घर में बहुत होशियार बच्चा रहता है, आइए हमारे कॉलेज में एडमिशन लीजिए, आइए हमारे कंपनी में जॉब करिए. वो दिन चले गए. अब दिन क्या है? आपको इंडियन आइडल की तरह स्टेज पे जाना है, हजारों के बीच में कम्पीट करना है और 10 बार आपको हार स्वीकारनी पड़ेगी, तभी जाकर आप सक्सेस होंगे. दैट मे बी योर 10th स्टैंडर्ड, 12th स्टैंडर्ड, JEE, नेट, जो भी चीज़ें हैं. So I am expecting from girls, especially of 10th standard. I have found many good girls are there, even 9th also in lower classes. They are not ready to share their talent. Please speak. So will you speak, girls here? Yes. Okay, so on this very day, thank you very much. I am very thankful to the organizers, Vice Principal Ma'am, HOD of Arts Department, Asya Ma'am. They have given me this time to speak and wish you very happy Balika Day. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The success of every woman should be the inspiration to another.
आज हमारे बीच कुछ छात्र ऐसी भी आई है जो हमें महिलाओं का परिचय देंगी, जिन्होंने समाज के दूसरे खास पहिए को मजबूत बनाने में बड़ा ही अच्छा रोल निभाया है. तो सबसे पहले मैं आवाज देता हूँ माली भक्ति को, एज रिप्रेजेंटेड हियर ऑफ श्रीमती सावित्रीबाई फुले.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम भक्ति द्वारकानाथ माड़ी है. मैं 7वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ. आज मैंने सावित्रीबाई ज्योतिबा फुले का रूप लिया है. मेरा नाम सावित्रीबाई ज्योतिबा फुले है. मेरा विवाह 9 साल की उम्र में 12 साल के ज्योतिबा फुले से हुआ था. मेरे पति बहुत बड़े समाज सुधारक थे. उन्होंने मुझे पढ़ना लिखना सिखाया. मैं भारत की सबसे पहली महिला शिक्षिका बनी और मैंने लड़कियों के लिए पहला विद्यालय पुणे के भिडेवाड़ा गांव में खोला। जब मैं कन्याओं को पढ़ाने के लिए निकलती थी तब रास्ते के लोग मुझ पर पत्थर और कीचड़ फेंकते थे। ऐसे कठिन परिस्थितियों का सामना करते हुए मैंने अपने महिला शिक्षिका का कार्य चालू रखा। इसलिए मैं कुछ शब्द आपसे कहना चाहती हूँ। अगर लड़की पढ़ेगी तो परिवार पढ़ेगा, अगर लड़की पढ़ेगी तो परिवार पढ़ेगा, और परिवार पढ़ेगा तो सारा समाज पढ़ेगा। इसलिए लड़की पढ़ाओ लड़की बचाओ। जय हिंद जय भारत।
मैं शेख के रूप में उपस्थित हूँ। मेरा जन्म 9 जनवरी 1831 को पुणे में हुआ। मैं भारत की पहली मुस्लिम महिला शिक्षिका हूँ। मैं और सावित्रीबाई फुले हम दोनों ने अहमदनगर के मिशनरी स्कूल से टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग ली। उसके बाद हम दोनों ने महिलाओं को पढ़ाने के लिए विद्यालय खोला। धन्यवाद।
Self Yusuf Fatima Abdul Sadiq from Standard 7. Today I am present here to represent the India's first lady doctor. I am Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi. I am the first Indian lady doctor. I was born on 31 March 1865 at Kalyan in Brahmin Marathi family, and I got married from Gopal Rao at the young age of 9, and the Gopal Rao educated me from the Women Medical College of Pennsylvania at USA, and I am inspiration and motivation for ladies and girls. Thank you.
My name is Zoya Shafina Amdar from Standard 7. Today I am here to represent Indira Gandhi. I am Indira Gandhi. I was born of India's strong woman, and with her power, I did a lot of amazing things. I was born in Uttar Pradesh on 19 November 1970. I comes from a family with a strong background in our politics.
One and all present here. Myself, Shaili Rohit Bansara from Standard 8. I am here as Kiran Bedi. I was born on 9 June 1949 in Amritsar, Punjab. I am a former tennis player to become a first lady of India as joined to officer rank. Indian Police Service IPS as an inner calling to survive because this is who I was. It did not matter to me that service of men's leadership. I know I could stay. From day one, I felt at my home on my police uniform. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Sahu Tanuja from Standard 7. I am the champion player of badminton. I represented here as a Saina Nehwal. Very first, I wanted to thank to them who works for promoting education for every girls and women in India. Because of them, I am here on this stage. I won over 24 international titles and including 11 Super Series titles. My journey till now is an inspiration for every girl who has ever been told that girls cannot do certain things or walk shoulder to shoulder with men. Thank you.
Hi, Sadia Gufran from Standard 7. Today I am present here as Sania Mirza. I was born on 15 November 1986 in Mumbai. When I was 6, I started playing tennis at the age of 6. I won 10 single and 13 double titles as a junior player. I
I awarded with many awards like Arjun Award in 2004, Padma Shri Award in 2006, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2015, and Padma Bhushan Award in 2015. Thank you.
Myself, Sheikh Midat Fatima. I am present here as the Indian Women Hockey Team's captain. Myself, Savita Punia. I am the captain of Indian Women Hockey Team. I am known as the Great Wall of India because of my phenomenal and outstanding performance in 2020 Summer Olympics. Under my captaincy, India also achieved the best ever ranking, number 6, with 2,368.83 points. My goal is to sustain peak performance and provide the team with the best opportunity of qualify for the Olympics. Hockey has given me a life of dignity and hope so. My only dream is to win an Olympic medal for the country. This is a teamwork and I appreciate all the players of my team for the recent achievement and ahead I hope for the same spirit from them. Thank you.
सुप्रभात। बेटियां सबके किस्मत में कहाँ होती है, बेटियां सबके किस्मत में कहाँ होती है, घर खुदा को जब पसंद आता है बस बेटियां वहाँ होती है। आदरणीय मुख्याध्यापक, उप मुख्याध्यापिका महोदय, सभी शिक्षक और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, सभी को बालिका दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जैसा कि आपने देखा, अभी हमने बालिका दिवस मनाया है। देश में लड़कियों को आत्मनिर्भर और अहम दर्जा देने के लिए इस दिवस का उद्देश्य है। सामाजिक लोगों के बीच बालिकाओं के जीवन को बेहतर बनाने के लिए और समाज में लड़कियों को मान सम्मान देने के लिए इस दिवस को मनाया जाता है। ऐसा कोई काम नहीं जो बेटियां न कर पाई हो, बेटियां तो आसमान से तारा तोड़कर लाई है। आप सभी की उपस्थिति का मैं आभार मानता हूँ। सभी का धन्यवाद इस दिन को मनाने के लिए और सभी को आज के दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। धन्यवाद।
मैं कक्षा 7वीं का छात्रा कह रहा हूँ, मोहम्मद सालिक रजा। राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस के कार्यक्रम के सफल आयोजन के लिए धन्यवाद देने के लिए खड़ा हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं अपने पाठशाला के प्रधान अध्यापक और उप प्रधान अध्यापिका इनको धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, जो अपना कीमती समय देकर यहाँ उपस्थित है। मैं शिक्षक गण और सभी छात्रों को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, जिन्होंने इस शुभ अवसर पर कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में सहयोग दिया। मैं आप सभी को सभी के द्वारा दिया गया प्यार, स्नेह, आशीर्वाद और शुभकामनाओं के लिए आप सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। ऐसे ही स्नेह भविष्य में आपसे मिल